हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। हम आए हुए हैं एक अमेजिंग से स्टेकेशन के लिए बसंत पैराडाइज रिजॉर्ट जो कि गुजरात में है। ये जगह सच में एक पैराडाइज है एंड आई कांट वेट टू शो यू हाउ आई स्टार्ट माय डे इन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल सेटिंग। सो लेट्स डाइव इन। हर सुबह यहाँ सपने जैसी लगती है और मैं नेचर की जेंटल साउंड्स और सॉफ्ट सनलाइट के साथ उठती हूँ जो कर्टन्स के थ्रू आ रही होती है। One of my favorite moments is pulling back the curtains to the let in the glorious morning light. The view from our room is simply breathtaking. And this is what we wake up to. हमारा own private swimming pool right outside. It's the perfect view to start the day. अब मैं आपको हमारे विला का एक क्विक टूर देती हूँ। ऊपर वाले फ्लोर से तो व्यू और भी बहुत सुंदर लगता है। मुझे सुबह सुबह ऐसे सनलाइट लेना और ऐसे नेचर के बीच बैठना बहुत पसंद है। यहाँ बैठ के नेचर के करीब होना और फ्रेश एयर में सांस लेना एक अलग ही सुकून देता है। ये मोमेंट मैं हमेशा याद रखूँगी क्योंकि ऐसा मोमेंट मुंबई जैसी सिटी में मिलना थोड़ा इम्पॉसिबल है। आई लव टू ओपन ऑल द कर्टन्स टू फिल ईच स्पेस विद नेचुरल सनलाइट। ये हमारी जगह को वार्म और इनवाइटिंग बना देता है। स्टेकेशंस जर्नली मेंट फॉर रिलैक्सेशन, लेकिन मेरे लिए सबसे खूबसूरत है सुबह जल्दी उठना। मॉर्निंग व्यू और सनराइज मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इंजॉय करती हूँ। स्टेकेशन मॉर्निंग्स आर स्लो, सूदिंग एंड फिल्ड विद केयर, allowing me to truly unwind and connect with the peaceful surroundings. Now on to my essential morning rituals. Taking care of my oral health is crucial, starting with brushing my teeth and then I cleanse my face with normal water and finally applying sunscreen to protect my skin from UV rays. This step is essential for healthy and glowing skin. Now me and my skin are ready to fully welcome this staycation morning. With proper protection, we are all set to enjoy the day ahead. Now let's explore the greenery of this paradise. But before that, मेरे husband को जगाना ज़रूरी है। This resort is so beautiful. Mornings here are incredibly peaceful. Waking in such calmness feels amazing. The green plants and quiet surroundings make a perfect place for us to relax and enjoy nature. We both love these staycations because they let us enjoy our morning slowly, surrounded by beauty, away from the busy city life. It's a refreshing break from pollution, noise and stress, giving us time to recharge and enjoy little moments together. The whole resort is so big and so clean that you can relax and meditate in any corner. We both love to meditate because it helps us feel calm and centered. In our busy lives, meditation gives us a chance to slow down and find peace within. And there's nothing better than meditating in such a serene and beautiful place. The sounds of nature, the fresh air and the lush greenery makes the experience truly special. अब मुझे यहाँ एक साइकिल दिख गई थी तो मैंने सोचा थोड़ी साइकिलिंग भी हो जाए। वैसे ये साइकिल थोड़ी छोटी थी बट स्टिल आई एंजॉयड इट। ये सब चीज़ें हम सिटी में मिस करते हैं। साइकिलिंग इन सच अ ब्यूटिफुल एंड पीसफुल प्लेस एडेड टू द जॉय ऑफ आवर स्टेकेशन. It reminded me of the simple pleasures we often overlook in our busy lives. One of the most delightful spots in this resort is this beautiful jhula. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy the serene surroundings. We both love spending time here, just swinging and talking. It's such a simple pleasure, but it brings so much joy and relaxation. These are the moments we cherish the most. Being together, away from the hustle and bustle, just enjoying each other's company in such a peaceful environment. एक चीज़ जो मैं आज बहुत मिस कर रही थी वो था मेरा योगा मैट और मेरा वर्कआउट सेशन। But this adventure activity corner made my day. The outdoor activities here were better than any workout I could ever had. They reminded me of my childhood because I grew up in a naval environment where such outdoor activities like wall climbing and rope climbing were common. I absolutely loved it because it brought back those nostalgic memories. ये दिखने में तो बहुत easy लग रहा था, but actual में बहुत difficult था. The challenge made it even more enjoyable and satisfying. It was a great way to get my workout in while having fun and reliving my childhood adventures. अब जब इतना कुछ कर ही रहे थे, तो we thought why not play some badminton too. So we started playing badminton. The game added another layer of fun to our day, keeping us active and entertained. It was the perfect way to wrap up our adventure-filled morning, combining exercise with lot of laughter and friendly competition. After such an amazing workout session, we are now heading back to our villa. We are looking forward to relaxing and enjoying the rest of the day in this beautiful paradise. A little rest before we dive into the next adventure. Now let's get ready for our next adventure. But before that, बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी थी, so it's important that we eat something. Even though we are on a staycation, we don't compromise on our health. We always try to eat healthy, even during staycations. So we are starting with some fresh fruits and juices to fuel up for the day. We also have some fresh juices to keep us hydrated and energized. It's important to stay healthy and hydrated, especially when we are having so much fun in the sun. We love spending time here, just relaxing and soaking in the tranquility. It's moments like these that make our stay truly special. Finally, it's time to enjoy our own private pool session. One of the highlights of our stay here at Basant Paradise is the luxurious private pool that we have all to ourselves. This pool is our personal oasis. The crystal clear water and the peaceful ambience make it the perfect place to unwind. Swimming is such a refreshing way to stay active, and having a private pool means we can enjoy it without any distractions. It's a little slice of paradise. There is something incredibly rejuvenating about swimming. It's not just a workout, it's a way to refresh both body and mind. We love starting our pool session with a few laps to get energized for the day. These moments by the pool are so special to us. It's not just about the pool itself, it's about cherishing the time we have together, away from the busyness of everyday life. A morning swim is so refreshing. It wakes us up and sets a positive tone for the day ahead. We love the feeling of cool water against our skin, especially in the fresh air. After a refreshing swim, it's time for my skincare routine. I have already taken a shower and cleansed my face with a gentle cleanser. Now I am applying toner to refresh and balance my skin before moving on to moisturizer and sunscreen. Next, I am applying hyaluronic acid serum to hydrate and plump my skin. Hyaluronic acid is great for maintaining skin moisture and elasticity, which is especially important after being in sun or pool. It helps my skin stay nourished and radiant throughout the day. Next, I'm applying under eye serum to target fine lines and reduce puffiness. This serum helps brighten and hydrate the delicate skin around my eyes, giving me a refreshed and awake appearance. Taking care of this area is crucial for well-rounded skincare routine, ensuring my eyes look bright and youthful throughout the day. Next, I am applying moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep my skin smooth and supple. This step is essential to replenish moisture after cleansing and serum application, ensuring my skin remains hydrated and protected throughout the day. Choosing the right moisturizer helps maintain a healthy skin barrier, leaving my complexion refreshed and ready for the day ahead. Next, I am applying lip balm to keep my lips hydrated and soft. It's important to protect them from dryness. This step ensures my lips feel comfortable and look healthy throughout the day. Next, I am applying sunscreen to shield my skin from harmful UV rays. This crucial step protects against premature aging, sunburn, and potential skin damage. By incorporating sunscreen into my daily routine, I ensure my skin stays healthy and youthful. This was the final step of my skincare routine. And if you have watched this video till here, thank you so much for your support and for joining me on this journey. I hope you found some inspiration or enjoyment in this experience. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more content.